Hi, this is Professor Charlie Evans, and I'm going to talk a little bit about your Imperialism paper assignment, which is one of the book papers that you have to write for your history courses and everything. For the assignment, you have the choice of 3 books to read. You can read Chinua Achebe, Things Fall Apart. You can read Pramoyedya Tor, Child of All Nations, or you can read Amadou Ba, The Fortunes of Wangrin. Each of these books deals with different imperialism areas. Achebe deals with British imperialism in Nigeria. Ba deals with French imperialism in Mali. Tor deals with Dutch imperialism in Indonesia. But there are similarities in all 3 of the books. First, format. Your assignment is a paper. That means it's a paper, it's not a single paragraph. Typically I look for either a 4 or 5 paragraph essay, an intro, point, conclusion. Intro should set up your paper. It should be a direct answer to the assignment. Each of the books has a specific question that is associated with the book. So for Achebe, you're answering a question. For Tor, you're answering a question. For Ba, you're answering a question. Make sure you're answering that question. Don't be just kind of like rambling on something. Make sure you include quoted material from the book in your paper and everything. So you're writing a paper, 4 paragraph, 5 paragraph paper. It's got to be 1 page, not 2 pages, 1 page. Make sure you get all your material into 1 page. The other kind of similarity of the 3 books that you're dealing with is that they are not descriptions of imperialism that you would see as overtly violent. They're not the Indian wars of the Western United States. They're not the Zulu wars of South Africa. There's not fighting involved in all 3 cases. It's just contact with Europeans, the presence of Europeans that undermines the native society and everything. So you got to look for that when you're reading the books. I also recommend that all 3 books are written by well-known authors. They've published widely. They've got some really great books out there, so you might want to investigate some of their other writings at any time. When you write your paper, consider submitting it to your instructor for feedback before you submit it for a grade. That helps a lot. Enjoy the book, write the paper, get a good grade. Good luck.